In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a page to another page in WordPress. Redirects are essential for keeping visitors and search engines on the right track when you move or rename a page. They help prevent 404 errors, preserve your SEO value, and deliver a smoother user experience. Today, we'll walk through finding the right tool in WordPress so you can set up redirects confidently and cleanly. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head to the plugins area. On WordPress.com sites, this lives in the main sidebar of your site's admin. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage plugins. If your site is self-hosted, you'll find a similar plugin section in your admin panel. This is the central place where you can browse, add, and manage functionality on your site. Next, use the search bar in the plugin directory to look for redirection. You're looking for the well-known plugin simply called Redirection. It's popular for a reason. It lets you create straightforward page-to-page redirects, supports common redirect types like 301 and 302, and can even monitor 404 errors so you can fix broken links proactively. As you review the search results, check for signs of a healthy plugin, recent updates, strong ratings, and compatibility with your current version of WordPress. Those cues help ensure reliability and long-term support. Now choose the redirection plugin from the results. On WordPress.com, plugin installation requires a plan that allows third-party plugins. If your site doesn't have that level yet, you'll see an upgrade prompt, and that's expected. Consider whether enabling plugins fits your site's needs. You can review and adjust your plan from your account's plan settings when you're ready. If your plan already supports plugins, selecting redirection will let you proceed with installing and activating it right away. Once redirection is active, you'll have everything you need to manage page-to-page redirects from inside your dashboard. The plugin guides you through a simple setup where you add the old URL as the source and the new URL as the target. For permanent moves, a 301 redirect is typically best, as it signals to search engines that the change is lasting. A few quick tips as you work. Copy and paste URLs to avoid typos, keep an eye on trailing slashes for consistency, and test in a private or incognito window to bypass cached results. If you use a caching plugin or a CDN, clear caches after creating redirects so changes show up immediately. That's the process. Open plugins, search for redirection, and choose the plugin while noting any plan requirements. With that in place, you're set to keep your visitors and your SEO right where they should be.